Hey, good morning, guys. I'm Karan Banik, and you are watching the Coffee Addict Trader. I'm short in GBP USD, NZD USD, and these are the two positions that I'm currently holding. I have a scale in here, but it doesn't look like a really good high probability trade. And the reason is pretty much simple. The Asian high is not cleared. It's highly possible that we're going to see the clearance of Asian high first. Uh, at around from this level, we'll start dropping again. Let's see. Let's see how it unfolds. I'm just hoping that, yeah, I'm just hoping that this flip level will hold because the overall bias and the storyline is perfectly bearish in weekly time frame. The previous weekly low is not cleared. The weekly bias is bearish because the last candle managed to close strongly below the low of the previous candle, the candle before it. But the thing is, we are actually into a bullish in range. So it's also possible that we're gonna see some continuation towards upside. Let's see what's going on in monthly time frame. In monthly time frame, this structure is very much complex. So if we just go a little this side, then we can spot a breakout structure this one. So we are currently into a bearish in range, and it's possible that we're gonna see some continuation towards downside. Overall, the trend in higher time frame is bearish for NZD USD. Let's see how the setups play out today. I want to discuss about something interesting. We don't have any clean setup. I'm not looking for new trades now. I'm already missed a USD JPY long. I was also planning about this long in Euro NZD, but I didn't execute that because my exposure was already 3R at that time, and I'm just not allowed to risk more than 3R at a particular moment. You Euro JPY is correcting back lower. GBP JPY is trying to clear this low. What's going on with JPY? JPY is trying to correct back low. What's going on in Dixie? Let me check. Okay, Dixie is trying to clear this high. The last daily candle was bullish enough that we are definitely going to clear this high this week maybe. Okay, so I want to discuss about a setup that I took last day. Uh, I was planning for shorts in GBP USD from this level, and I covered this idea in my weekly analysis session, like forex pairs in play, maybe in Sunday. I was looking for shorts here, and when I noticed a clean bear, like engulfing candle bearish here, I was so much sure that it was an A plus setup for me because the previous day high was cleared, price was giving me a beautiful bearish engulfing candle in 4 hour, but the initial move was not in our favor. Price corrected back all the way higher. And if you are someone like familiar with market maker model, in that case, you will definitely understand this pattern. A sweep of liquidity, then break of structure, then during the pre-London session, sorry, PUNY session, we trade into a OTE level, and then we start dropping towards downside. So my actual risk management don't allow me to add into a losing position, but still I decided to hit the bat a little harder last day, which was definitely not a good idea. But this trade actually played out pretty well. I was short here. My initial position was definitely here, but I added a new position here with a stop right above this high after this ejection candle was forming. And I actually holded this. I'm still holding this trade, and I'm holding this towards this low. So that's gonna give me a good decent risk reward ratio. I was only risking a few, like maybe a quarter of my risk in this trade, and there's gonna be a really good risk reward ratio trade if it actually play out and drop below this low. So yeah, there is nothing interesting right now. I'm just gonna hold these positions. We have a lot of news today about GBP, USD, and all. So I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna see how this unfolds. I have my trail stop loss here. I'm also gonna trail my stop loss at break even for GBP USD. So yeah, that's it. That's it from my side. See you soon on the next session, guys. Have a great day.